Okay, so exercise 31 is a framing box pin joint. So for this one, we're going to draw only half of our joint. So I might draw that dark piece first. I'm going to draw it as a solid piece of wood. So let's go 45 by 90. If I press E on my keyboard for extrude, I'm going to extrude him up 250, and there is my first piece. I'm going to jump into my bodies now, and I'm going to right click and click appearance and make him a darker color. I can then draw my top piece here. So if I go off this piece here, we can just go and draw in our rectangle and call it 250 by, so pressing tab, 90, and then I can cut out all of my pieces here as well. So we're on the blonde piece, so we have to go 3 different rectangles to cut out. So we've got 45 by 18, we've got 45 by 18, and we need one in the middle here as well. So same again, 45 by 18, and we just need to dimension him so he's in the right spot between these two lines, which is also 18. So I can finish my sketch, and then I just need to extrude him out. So that shape, and that shape. This time we're going down, and it wants to do it as a cut. So we're going to go minus 45 for our dimension, and we're going to change it to a new component instead of a cut. Click OK. And so our joints are now overlapping a little bit. So now that we have our joints, they're not actually lined up properly and assembled, because if I grab this piece, you'll see it'll move wherever it wants to move. So 3 steps for any sort of joint and assembly: create components, ground a piece, and then join them together. So we have one component, but we still have one body. So we need to right click on our body, create a component, find that component, right click on him, ground him. So create components, then we ground a piece, then we join them together. So this piece is now stuck. This piece still moves around. So I need to join it together. So for this one, the pieces I can use, I can't use any of these edges. I could use this top edge, but I'm going to use the middle of this top here because it can align with the middle of this top. Now, red's facing left there, but I've clicked over here with red facing up. So just be careful. That's where we want it there. And he'll slide in nicely and join together. And now he's stuck and joined together, but we're still overlapping. So we need to use our combine tool. We're targeting our dark piece to cut holes in, using our blonde piece. We're on cut. We're going to keep our tools. We click OK. And there is our framing box pin done, only having to dimension half our joint.